Nicht zu weit, es kann gleich sein, dass die eine Wende machen. Sehr schön. Hoch die Blase und weg.
Weg von den Booten. Schön, nicht so dicht. Nicht so dicht.
Nicht mitfahren, so bleiben.
Very close.
Hey, I'm Martin from Switzerland and we had just fantastic races. Really strong wind, gusty and shifty. It was just really fun racing.
I'm Shami from Switzerland too. For me it's a good, nice experience. Normally I'm skipper and to be today's crew for me is a great experience.
Normally the conditions are quite stable, but today it's a bit different. It's coming a bit more from the left and it's quite puffy and shifty as well.
It was a very nice day today. We had a nice southerly breeze, especially the two last races. The wind picked up to 22, maybe 23 knots. For us it was a really good day. We started from where we ended in the Worlds. We won both three races and we want to continue this way in the regatta.
Was a lot of crash today. A lot of guys capsized and the second capsized in front of us in downwind. So that was, and just here after we came through the finish line, the fourth one also capsized. So that was a lot of wind.
What was it?
It was surviving. It was one of the hardest races we had in the last 10 years. It was totally crazy because the aura wind was and the gust more than 30 knots, and around us the boat was capsizing. We saved the race. We really survived the day. I think some others too, and the Greeks did very well. We had some technical problems, but we managed it to manage the race to finish it. So we are very happy with 2 seconds and 1/6 place. We are very happy with that day.